Yo, TW members, congratulations for making profit. Again, practice more withdrawal rather than deposit. So let me just show you our previous trade and our previous profit. So yes, last April we managed to make profit at least 6.81%. By May, also last May, we managed to make 17.59%. By June, we managed to make higher, which is 41.53%. By last July, yeah, we managed to break that 41 and increase to 46.01%. And then last August, which was yesterday, last month, we managed to make profit 36.95%. So total, we managed to increase our portfolio at least 140 or 150% return. So for those TW member, keep on practicing, yeah, follow our trade and learn. So for future TW member, what are you waiting for? We're going to have a new portfolio, new strategy, new trading plan, but the same service. What service? You can follow our trade, you can practice with us and trade together, because in TW or traders work, we don't just teach you how to trade. We practice and trade with you. So, yeah, see you in our next trade. Cheers.